Did you know that guava leaves tea is not just a refreshing beverage, but also packs a punch when it comes to health benefits? Welcome back to the channel, where today we're diving into the world of guava leaves tea and its incredible potential health perks. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of this underrated tea and how it can benefit your well-being. Are you constantly battling digestive issues or struggling with maintaining your blood sugar levels? Maybe you're looking for a natural way to boost your immunity and overall health. Well, guava leaves tea might just be the solution you've been searching for. With its array of health benefits, this tea could be the key to addressing some of the common health challenges many of us face daily. Let's take a closer look at why guava leaves tea is a powerhouse of goodness. Packed with antioxidants, this tea can help fight off harmful free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting a healthy immune system. Moreover, guava leaves are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, making them beneficial for easing digestive discomfort and promoting gut health. Say goodbye to bloating and hello to a happier tummy with a soothing cup of guava leaves tea. Now, here comes the exciting part. The key moment you've been waiting for. One of the most significant health benefits of guava leaves tea is its ability to regulate blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that consuming guava leaves tea regularly can help lower blood sugar levels, making it a fantastic natural remedy for those managing diabetes or looking to improve their metabolic health. Imagine the power of a simple cup of tea in transforming your health for the better. Guava leaves tea is not just a tasty beverage, but a treasure trove of health benefits waiting to be explored. From antioxidant properties to aiding in digestion and regulating blood sugar levels, this tea is a must-try for anyone looking to enhance their well-being naturally. So why not give guava leaves tea a chance and experience the magic for yourself? I challenge you to incorporate guava leaves tea into your daily routine and share your experiences in the comments below. Let's sip our way to better health together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and tea-related content. Until next time, stay healthy and hydrated.